Hey folks, don't forget that in this one we're going to be using the first and the second endings. So we're going to go measure 1 through 4, use these 2 double dots to repeat back to the beginning, move forward, skip the 1 with the dash over it, that's the first ending, go straight to measure 5, play the last 2 measures. So, jump backwards, skip, and then you're done. Also in this song, don't forget that the articulation in the song, the way that I provided it, the way that this intent of this song is sprightly, articulated, da, da, da. So make sure that when you articulate, you fire that tongue to the roof of your mouth to get that nice separation. T, t, da, t, t, da. And then last thing before we go, some of you may have a new note that happens on measure 4. That is a B natural, a B, which is fingered second, middle finger. That'll be on the 1st, 3rd, 4th, and 5th note. That's all I have. If this helped, let me know in the comments below. Thanks for liking and subscribing. Have a great day.